ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதீஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगदः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैर्नभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने. കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. So Nikki, change of place for me because kitchen and breakfast area is getting redone. So all the classes are from the basement. So hope by next week I'll be back up there.
His
So
kitchen also is moved to the basement.
kitchen is actually moved to the dining room and the basement. So yeah, in the basement, but it's like that right now. No, it's almost done. So by next Tuesday, Wednesday, it should get done. So, um, all right. So Nikki, we'll do a quick review on 40. So Priya, can you do a review on 40? And Ramesh, can you do 40 as well?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. And then I think Sangeeta V and Sangeeta Prasad, you both can be students today. Okay. Okay, Priya, start from reading again.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः तदनुनन्दममन्दशुभास्पदं नृपपुरीं करदानकृते गतं समवलोक्य जगादभवत्पिता विदितकं ससहायजनोद्यमः अयि सखे तव बालकजन्म मां शुकयतेऽद्य निजात्मजन्मवत् इति पितृताम्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंसतमादरात् इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तशतानि ते खटकसीमिततोलगुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपायभियादृतना माययौ
Drutamayayo.
भवदपायभियादृतमाययौ सारी अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन वृजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्तला कपटपोत्तकते निकटं गता.
And second name is Vrajapate. Okay. Braj.
व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना correct?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
प्रपदि सा कृतबालकचेतना निशिचरान्वयजा किल पूतना व्रजवधूष्विहकेयमिति क्षणं विमृशतीषु भवन्तमुपादते ललितभावविलासहृतात्मभिर्युवतिभिः प्रतिरोधुमपारिता तनमसौ भवनान्त निषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने समधिरुह्य तदङ्गमशङ्कितत्वमत बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम् असुभिरेव समं दयति त्वयि तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपताद्भयदायिनि जम्वपुः प्रतिघता प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ भवदघोषण भयदघोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहितवल्लवे व्रजपदे तदुरस्तलकेलनं ननु भवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः.
And that you don't have to join the third and fourth. It's a comma after Kelana. Okay.
Oh, okay. व्रजपदे तदुरस्तलकेलनं ननु भवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेव ते युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयि वातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरु तावकसेवकम्. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. पूतनमोक्षणम् तदनुनन्दममन्दशुपास्पतं नृपपूरिं करतानकृते कथं समवलोक्य जगद्भवत्पिता विदितकं ससहाय जनोद्यमः.
Yeah. And then Nripa Purim just அங்க ஒருப்ப and Purim. Nripa Purim அவ்வளவுதான் ரெண்டு தான் இருக்கு. Only two. Okay. Okay.
Nripapuri
Yeah. You can continue. Yeah. Yeah.
ऐसके तव पालक जन्ममां सुखयतेत्यनिजात्मद जन्मवत् इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समतिरेप्य शशंसतमातरात्
Somebody rope. Last.
समतिरोप्य शशं इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समतिरोप्य शशंसतमातरात् इह च
Yeah. Ihacha.
इह च सन्ध्यनिमित्तसतानि ते कटकसीमि ततो लघुकं यताम् इति च तद्वचा व्रजनायको भवतपाय पिया कृतमाययो अवसरे खलु तत्र च काञ्चन व्रजपते मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पथलालितकुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटं कथा सपति साहृतपालकचेतना निशिचरान् वयजय किला पूतना
Nishicharan vayaja kila putana.
निशिचरान् वयजा किल पूतना व्रजवधुष्विहकेयमिदीक्षणं विमृशद्दिक्षुपवन्तमुपातते ललितपावविलासकृदात्मयुवति प्रतिद्रोतु
ஒரு செகண்ட் அது வந்து லலித பாவ vilasa. You say the word letter sa there, okay, then it will land. Vilasa kritatmabhir yuvati bif pratirodhumaparita. Correct.
ललितपावविलासहृदात्मभिर् युवतिभिर्प्रतिरोतुमपारिता भवनान्ततितेषु ची प्रदतुषी भवते कपटात्मने
Nishedushi on the third line. Nishedushi. Bhavananta nishedushi.
स्तननमास भवनान्ततिशेषु ची
Nishedushi. Nishedushi.
स्तननमास भवनान्तनिषेदुषी
Correct. Yeah.
प्रदतुषी भवते कपटात्मने समधिगृह्यत तङ्गमसङ्कितस्वत्मद I think some Rahul.
Tamadiruhyatadhankamashankitas.
समधिगृह्यत तङ्गमसङ्कितस्वत्मद त्वममतपालकलोपनरेषित
Ro again. Roshita.
रोषितः महति वारम्भफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रदिशुषूषितदुर्विषादूषितम् असुभिरेऽपि समतयादित्वयि स्तननमासौ
Just stanam. Anga double na illa ore one na only. Stanamasau.
Okay, sana urundu. Okay. Asubireva samatayaditvayi stanamasau stitanotamapa
Stanitopama.
separation okay. Stanitopama
Niswana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Separation okay. Nirapadat payatayi nijam babuhu pradikada pravisarya bujavubho payatakoshana pishana vikraha shravana darshana mohitavallave vrajapate tadurastana kelanam ननुभवन्तमघृह्णत कोऽबिकाः.
Third, ஒரே small correction. Sthala kelanam, not sthana kelanam. Sthala kelanam. I think last time we changed it. Last time I think we changed it in the sthana irundhathu, but I think we changed it to sthala.
I think I missed it.
No problem. Continue. Yeah.
Okay. भुवनमङ्गलनाभिरेवते युवतिभिर्बहुता कृतरक्षणः त्वयिमयि वातनिकेतननाथ त्वयिमयि वातनिकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरुतावकसेवकम्. परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Okay, good. So let's continue with 44, right? So in 40, I think we had finished up to the naming of Krishna, which was stanza 5. So now 1 to 5 children, and then we'll continue with that. Gudham vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hridgata hora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibhogatavan nandota nanditatma Brindishtam manayannahum yaminam mandasmidhardramuche tvatsamskaran vidhatumutsukadihi yaduvamshacharyatvat sunibhritamidam adya karyamiti katayanhe gargo nirgata pulakah chakre tavasagrajasya namani katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hyanantanamno va इति नूनं गर्गमुनिः चक्रे तव नाम नाम रहसि विभो कृषिधातुनकाराभ्यां सत्तानन्दात्मतां किलाभिलपत् जगदगकर्षित्वं वा कथय दृशिः कृष्णनाम ते व्यतनोत्. So we stopped last time. अन्यांश्च नाम भेदान् व्याकुर्वन्नग्रजे च रामादीन् अति मानुषानुभावं न्यगदत्वामप्रकाशयन् पित्रे. So once Krishna was named in the previous stanza, then Gargamuni also gave him other names. So other names as in Vasudeva's son. Adnal his name was also called as Vasudeva. So he also Krishna got some names. Then in addition to that, Balarama is also there, so he had to name it. So Gargamuni then looked at Balarama's, the horoscope and said that, this particular child is going to actually do. Hold on one second. Yeah. So this particular child is actually going to bring a lot of happiness to everybody, and he's also going to be to all the relatives and friends and everything, and he also has superhuman qualities. Adanale, we are going to name him as Rama. That's what first part of Balarama's name is, Rama. And then said, because this person has also grown to be a very strong person, so that's why Bala got added to it. That's why he became Balarama. And then remember that Balarama the mother is Rohini and his father is Vasudeva. But Rohini has been staying with Nandagopa for a really long time, and Balarama also grew up with Nandagopa. So because Balarama is also kind of keeping the two families together to some extent, he was also called as Sankarshana. So Sankarshana was the other name that was given to Balarama because he's keeping all these families together. And then of course Krishna, he told Gargamuni told Nandagopa about the glory of Krishna as well. He continued to say that, and he continues to say that in multiple stanzas anyways. And then he also gave him the name as Vasudeva.
Rajesh, question. When Balarama was born?
Balarama was the seventh child. So Balarama was the seventh one, and then Balarama enna pannanaka, and they transferred the child into Rohini's womb. 37th chapter.
Oh, okay.
37th chapter la porandappo they transferred into Rohini's womb, and then just told Kamsa that the baby was born dead. They just got rid of the seventh child did not, like, essentially was born dead. They just said it that way. So that's what. So I'll tell you exactly which this thing it was in.
So what is the difference? Age difference mari kadayada.
Age difference irukku. Balaramakkum Krishnaku age difference irukku. but it's at least at a minimum 10 months difference.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay, at a minimum 10 months difference. But
The
your question Namakarnam is happening right now for both of them.
okay.
Yeah.
I thought that was the basis. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, correct. You are correct, and maybe, like Namakarnam, I don't know if Balarama may have happened later. I think, but Bhattacharya is condensing it in the same thing. Even in Bhagavatam, they're saying it in the same paragraph only. Saying Krishnarku peru vacha, Balaramakum peru vacha, அப்படினு தான் சொல்றாளே ஒழிய, they didn't say, that it happened early or anything of that sort. But it's a valid question, yeah. So I think Sangeeta V and Sangeeta Prasad today, right? So Anyamscha Nama Bhedan, comma, Vyakurvan, double ner, because it's Vyakurvan Agraje, but when it both gets joined, becomes a double ner there. So Vyakurvan Nagraje Cha Ramadhin Ati Manushanubhavam, comma, Nyagad.
Manushanu is, I have only Manusha Bhavam. Manushanu, you said, right?
Yeah, Manushanu.
And then it is Toto Dodona or Toto Dodona. Manushanu.
N, just n. First, third, then.
Okay. Manushanu.
So, Ati Manushanu. The Ati Manusha means superhuman, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anubhavam. That's what the other word is. So, that's why it's Ati Manushanubhavam. Okay. Comma, and the other caption, comma. Nyagadat Tuam Aprakashayan Pitre. So, 3 words there. Nyagadat Tuam Aprakashayan Pitre. Anyamscha nama bhedan Vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadhin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Anyamscha nama bedan Vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadhin Athimanushanubhavam Nyagadat Tvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Bhavam kapro, this is a comma, okay.
Oh, sorry. Anyamscha nama bedan Vyakurvannagraje cha Ramadhin Athimanushanubhavam Nyagadat Tvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Anyashanamabedan Vyakurvannagraje Charamadin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre. Anyashanamabedan Vyakurvannagraje Charamadin Atimanushanubhavam Nyagadatvam Aprakashayan Pitre.
Stanza 7. Snihyadi yastava putre muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi druhyati yasya tu nashet ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryah. So here he also says that even historically, he's also saying that even in the past, this child has had multiple births, right, and has done great things. And whoever Snihyati, sneham, right? The word sneham, the sni is the root word of that. So snihyati, anyone who loves, who likes your child, snihyati yastava putre, right? So for him, Maikai Shokaihi, he will thereafter not be touched, or he will not be impacted or troubled by the sorrows of Maya anymore. Whoever likes your child. However, Snihyati ke opposite Druhyati. So whoever is not liking your child, or whoever is hating, or whoever is troubling your child, Satu Nashet, they will completely get destroyed, because that is his glory. That's his Mahatvam, and he has done this several times in the past as well, and even in this birth of his, the same thing is going to happen. Gargamuni is kind of going through, because in the India, like, during the birth, they then look at that's the first time they kind of look at the horoscope to some extent, and they read out, right, about the benefits of the child, or qualities of the child, in some places, right? So that's what Gargamuni is doing here. He's actually telling what's going to be happening. So snihyati, half her and year. So snihyati, yes tava putre, comma, muhyati, sa na mayikaihi irukku, so put a if there. Mayikaif punaha is there, so put a ish. Punash shokaihi. Druhyati yaha, so put a is there. Yes. Sa tu nashyet, so put a it after nashyet and put a comma. So you will have a di di irukumanga, so remove the di of. First put a it nashyet comma. Next word starts with a e. Ityavadhatte. So nashyet comma ityavadhatte mahatvam rishivaryaha. If you want to break it, you can say mahatvam rishivaryaha, or say the whole word mahatvam rishivaryaha together.
Rajesh,
Ah.
one doubt, like on the second line, muhyati na mayikaif punashokaihi da எனக்கு இருக்கு.
Sa na sa. So sa means
Muhyati sa na. So
yeah,
there's muhyati sa na. Okay.
correct. Sa means like him.
The one who. Okay.
Yeah, the one who, yes.
And then and அதே மாதிரி like nashyet ityavadat, is it te or ye?
Te.
Te தானே. Okay.
Te, yeah. So on the yeah, te. Te is that his. Snihyati yastava putre muhyati sana mayikaih punashokaihi druhyati yassatu nashyet ityavadatte mahatvam rishivaryah.
स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सन मायिकैः पुनशोकैः द्रुह्यति यस्य तु नश्येत् इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः. स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति सन मायिकैः पुनशोकैः द्रुह्यति यस्य तु नश्येत् इत्यवदत्ते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः.
स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति न मायिकैः पुनशोकैः द्रुह्यति यस्य तु नश्येत् इत्यवदते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः.
Okay, the second line muhyati sa na, the sa irukanga.
Oh, sir. Oh, I missed it. Okay. स्निह्यति यस्तव पुत्रे मुह्यति स न मायिकैः पुनशोकैः द्रुह्यति यस्य तु नश्येत् इत्यवदते महत्त्वं ऋषिवर्यः.
On the last line, just a small correction. Ityavadatte, the double th is there, right? So ityavadatte.
Okay. Ityavadatte.
Correct. Yeah. I think this chapter is a little bit doesn't land exactly, so now it will be a little bit off, which is okay. Stanza 8. Jeshyati bahutara dhaityan neshyati nija bandhulokamamala padam sroshyati subimala kirtirasyeti bhavat vibhutim rishiruche. So he continues to say, Jeshyati, he's going to be victorious against Bahutara Daityan, against a lot of Asuras. So he's going to be defeating a lot of Asuras or bad people as part of, in this birth of his. And at the same time, Nijabandhu, his own people, which are, when Gargamuni is saying this, Nandagopa is assuming it is the Gopas, but it could also mean the Yadavas, because Krishna was born to Vasudeva and Devaki, so the Yadava clan as well. So he says Nijabandhu, so like all the people who are with him or his clan of people, they are going to start achieving great heights as well. And then he will make you, so in that last line, before you guys even ask, I'll tell. And the third line, Sroshyati, is there in some books as Sroshyasi. So either is okay, but I've changed it to Sroshyati. So Sroshyati just means that you will hear as a father, right? So that's what fathers know. They're more interested. They say, you know what? Oh, in the Krishna road, appa neenga dana appdin kekra mari. Like he will do so many great things that you will actually hear a lot of good things come, that come your way as well, and people will be able to associate you with Krishna because of all the great things that he's going to be able to do. Thus, Bhavatvim Rishi Ruche. Thus, Garga Muni told you about your greatness, O Krishna. So, Jeshyati Bahutara Daityan, comma, Neshyati Nija Bandhu Lokam Amalapadam. So, you can say the whole word together. Or if you want to break it, Lokam Amalapadam. Next line, like I said, is Sroshyati. If you have a C, you can change it to Ti. Sroshyati Suvi Mala Kirti Rasyeti. Kirti means fame. Kirti Rasyeti, comma, Bhavat Vibhutim Rishi Ruche. Like last time, and the mr, you can break it if you want. So, Bhavat Vibhutim Rishi Ruche. जेष्यति बहुतरधैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकममलपथं श्रोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे.
एष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं शोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे. जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं शोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे.
ராஜேஷ் அது வந்து ரிஷி ருச்சேவா இல்ல ரூச்சேவா?
Ruche, Ruche.
லாங் ரூ தான் அது.
Long room.
Okay. जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवविभूतिं ऋषिरुचे.
Bhavat
भवद्विभूतिं. जेष्यति बहुतर दैत्यान् नेष्यति निजबन्धुलोकम् अमलपदं श्रोष्यति सुविमलकीर्तिरस्येति भवद्विभूतिं ऋषिरुचे.
अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गं तरितास्त कृतास्तमत्र तिष्ठध्वं हरिरेवेत्यनभिलपन् इत्यादि त्वामवर्णयत् समुनिः. So that Muni, Samunihi, ityadi twamavarnayat. He also continued to describe you. What Bhattaripada is saying is, he stopped of saying Hari Reve iti. That is Hari Eva iti. Idda and the Narayana. He just stopped short of saying that. Right? So because because at that time and the people it becomes very difficult. So what in Bhagavatam also they say is, he tells about a lot of things about Krishna, and then says that your son has a lot of great qualities, in the, like we already described. And even in Chulva, this is happening prior to Mahabharata, right? So when Mahabharata, when Vishnu Sahasranamam, when Bhishma said it, and they went and asked, when Yudhishthira went and asked, right, that what should I be saying that which will eliminate all my sins, and Bhishma recites the Vishnu Sahasranama. So in that there is a line, and I forgot that line, I don't remember it right now. If maybe Jayashree or Sriram remember, you can say that, where he says there are so many other names, and all these names are not names that I have given. These are the names by which the rishis actually praised the Lord. And what I have done, Bhishma says this, is I'm only picking up the top 1,000 names out of that by which he's known or by which he's praised. So the names which are in Vishnu Sahasranamam are not just names given, are the names which the rishis pray. So Adhe Mari, Garga Muni is also saying that, that he's again, he's a superhuman and the Mari, and then associating with him, you will be able to cross all obstacles on Nanda Gopa, and he will bring great things again. And he praised him a lot, just stopped of saying that he is the Hari himself born here. He just did not say that. Other than that, he said everything else, only because he did not, again, the Nanda Gopas also, you have to remember, are all just cowherds, right? So they are all not very educated kind of people. So he didn't want to explain complex things to them. So he just said it is a superhuman child and he will do all great things for you. So Amunaiva Sarva Durgam taritastha, comma, kritastam atra tishtadvam. So that you can break that word. Kritastam atra tishtadvam. Harirevetya na bhilapan. Harirevetya na bhilapan. So you have double na there. And the knee, it will be 1/2 na and then a knee. So first let's put a in there. Harirevetya na bhilapan in, comma. And the next word you make it a e. So ityadi tvam avarnayat sa munihi. So in the in and the ni, we are breaking it, putting it as in and then an e at the next word. Amunhaiva sarvadurgham taritasta kritastamatra tishtadvam harirevetyana bhilapan ityadi tvam avarnayat sa munihi.
अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गं तरितास्थ कृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वं हरिरेवेत्य न बिलपन्न इत्यादि त्वाम हरिरेवेत्य न बिलपन्न इत्यादि
बिलपन्न comma.
ओके
comma किया.
बिलपन्न इत्यादि त्वामवर्णयत् स मुनिः अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गं तरितास्थ कृतास्थमत्र तिष्ठध्वं हरिरेवेत्य न बिलपन्न इत्यादि त्वाम् अवर्णयत् स मुनिः.
अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गं तरितास्त कृतास्तम् अत्र तिष्ठध्वं हरिरेवेत्य न बिलपन्न इत्यादि त्वाम् अवर्णयत् स मुनिः. अमुनैव सर्वदुर्गं तरितास्त कृतास्तम् अत्र तिष्ठध्वं हरिरेवेत्य न बिलपन्न इत्यादि त्वाम् अवर्णयत स मुनिः.
Last answer. Ghargeta nirgatesmin nandita nandhadi nandhyamanastvam madgadamudgada karuno nirgamaya Srimarutpuradisha. So Garga, then Garga Muni, after doing all this, like it was done in secrecy, like we saw in the last class, and then he departed, he left. So after that happens, once Garga Muni goes, the important thing here is, and this will happen in every chapter. This happened after Putana Moksham. This will happen here. It will happen in every chapter. Is as far as the Gopikas are concerned, and as far as the Gopas are concerned, for them Krishna was just a human child. It didn't matter any great things that he did, all that happened. They did not really get bothered by it. They just thought of him as one of their loving child. So Anala, they just Nanda Gopa and others, they all just generally became happy, and then they resorted to just picking up Krishna and then being very happy with him like as a child. So so they just fondly played with him. So such a person of Krishna, Mudgada Matgada Karuno Nirgamaya. So please, you are full of compassion, and so that way eradicate all my diseases and all my ailments as well. Sri Marutpuradisha, O resident of Guruvayur. So this is Krishna's Namakaranam. It gets over here. So Gargeta Nirgatesmin, comma, Nandita Nandadi Nandhyamanas Tvam. So you can break it clearly there. Nandita Nandhadi Nandhyamanas Tvam. Madghadam Udghata. Madghadam Udghata Karuno Nirgamaya, comma, Sri Marutpuradisha. Gargheta nirgatesmin nandita nandhadi nandhyamanastvam madghadamudghata karuno nirgamaya Sri Marutpuradisha.
गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दित नन्दादि नन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदम् उद्गत करुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश. गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दित नन्दादि नन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदम् उद्गत करुणो गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश
गर्गे स्तनिर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदमुद्गत करुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश गर्गेत निर्गतेऽस्मिन् नन्दितनन्दादिनन्द्यमानस्त्वं मद्गदमुद्गत करुणो निर्गमय श्रीमरुत्पुराधीश श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
So give them just on the third line, it's mud indicated. This is mud, madgadam, udgada. So all the dh.
Madgada.
Yeah. Okay.
Madgada. Okay.
So we'll go to 46 today. So 45 and other things in Bhagavatam, right? It's all they talk about a lot about how Krishna then becomes a part of the lives of the Gopikas, right? And because he was and because Nanda was the head Gopa, and he is the one who has the most number of cows and everything. So a lot of Gopikas and Gopas used to work in Nanda's house as well. So that's how they all got attached to Krishna, because they saw him growing, right? Or he grew with them. And Nariya, they give a lot of examples of how he goes to he goes to all the Gopikas' house, and then he's playing with them constantly, and he keeps doing all this naughtiness and everything, and he's still small at this point, right? So if 46, when 46 was happening, I don't know the exact age, but I'm just kind of joining the dots, right? Is he had started moving, he had started crawling. I don't know if he was walking at this point technically, but he was still drinking milk from the mother. So maybe he was still under 4, right? Some age like that. So that's what is happening in 46 and 47 as well. So we'll get started here. So 46, stanza 1. Ayi deva pura kila tvahi swayamutthanasahe stanhandahe parijrumbanato vyapavrite vadane vishwamachashtavallavi. So one day when Yashoda was giving milk to Krishna, and you were then lying swayamutthanasaye, anashana means lying down. So when you're lying on your back, right, on Yashoda's lap, and you were drinking milk from Yashoda, so just casual up at one point, you opened your mouth, and then you saw Vishrama Chashtavallavi. You showed her the entire universe just in a glance for a second. And this is different from what is going to happen later. So there are 2 times Yashoda saw this. The first time was when she was giving him milk, which is this time. And in this, he showed it on his own. But it happened in such a fast second that Yashoda didn't even realize what happened. It's like Korande Madile Vichindrika, and then the Korande is yawning. And when he yawns, she suddenly sees something, and then it just goes away, right? The mouth is shut. So she's even confused what she saw. So, but you showed, oh Krishna. So that's what it's saying here, that to the Vallavi, which is the cowherdess Yashoda, you just casually opened your mouth and showed her the entire universe when you were drinking milk from her. So Ayi deva pura kila tvai, comma, swayam uttanashaye sthanandhaye, swayam uttanashaye sthanandhaye parijrumbhanato vyapavrite, comma, vadane vishwamachashta vallavi. Ahi deva pura kila tvahi swayamuttanashahe stanhandahe parijrumbhanato vyapavrite vadane vishwamachashta vallavi.
अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशयेस्तनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी. अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशयेस्तनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी।
अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानये सनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी। अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशयि सनन्दये परिजृम्भणतोऽप्यवाप्यपावृते वदने विश्वमचष्टवल्लवी।
Stanza 2. पुनरप्यतभालकैः समं त्वयि लीला निरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चयवञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्बकाः. So then one other day, what happened was all the boys were all playing Bhalakai Samam. When you were playing with all the boys, then the boys had taken some stolen fruit from somewhere, and Krishna ended up taking that fruit. So because Krishna ended up taking an already stolen fruit, they could not go and complain saying that Krishna stole our fruit, right? Then people will ask, where did you get that fruit from? And they have to then they'll come to realization that they also stole it. So Adhanala, to get away from it and to put you in trouble, O Krishna, they then out of anger, out of kruda, out of vanchana kruda, so because you duped them, because you tricked them, so out of anger, so all of them, all the boys then went to Yashoda and said that Krishna is eating mud. So Tava Mridbhojanam. So Mrid is referring to mud. So that you are now eating mud as your food. Apdina, they all went and reported to Yashoda to get you into trouble. So Punarapyata Balakaihi is there. So put a is Balakais Samam, comma. Twayi Leela Nirate Jagatpate. Phala Sanchaya Vanchana Kruda, comma, Tava Mrid Bhojanam Uchur Arbakaha. If you want to break it, it will become Mrid Bhojanam Uchur Arbakaha. Punarapyata Bhalakai Samham Twahi Leela Nirate Jagatpathe Phalasanchaya Vanchana Krudha Tava Mridbhojanamūchurarbakaha.
पुनरप्यथ बालकैः समं त्वयि लीलानिरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चयवञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनम् ऊचुरर्भकाः. पुनरप्यथ बालकैः समं त्वयि लीलानिरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चयवञ्चनक्रुधा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः.
पुनरप्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीलानिरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चय वञ्चनकृदा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः. पुनरप्यत बालकैः पुनरप्यत पुनरप्यत बालकैः समं त्वयि लीलानिरते जगत्पते फलसञ्चय वञ्चनकृदा तव मृद्भोजनमूचुरर्भकाः.
Stanza 3. Aite pralayavadhau vibho kshitito yadi samasta bhakshinah mridupashanato ruja bhavete iti bhita janani chukopasa. So Bhattatripad is telling here that this is an irony that your mother, Krishna Yashoda, is worried that you probably had a handful of mud. But what she doesn't realize is Pralayavadau, when the deluge actually happens, when the Naimittika Pralayam happens, or any of the Pralayam that happens, at that time, you, Krishna, you consume Samasta Bhakshinaha. You are consuming everything, right? Kshiti Toyadi. So you're consuming the entire universe, which is made up of the entire earth, the water, and everything in it, everything which is mobile, everything which is immobile. You are consuming all of those things, right? And for a person like you, Yashoda, your mother, is concerned that you actually had a handful of mud. And she's getting angry at this. And Bhattacharya is just saying how it's such an irony that she's even getting worried about you eating a handful of mud in this case. So, Ai te pralayavadhau vibho, comma, kshiti toyadi. Kshiti is earth, toya is water, adi means etc. So, kshiti toyadi samasta bhakshinaha mridu pashanato, mrid upashanato. So, mridu pashanato ruja bhavet. And di, if you have a di there, remove the di. First put a it there, bhavet, comma. Then the next word starts with a e. Iti bhita janani chukopasa. Aite pralayavadhau vibho kshitito yadi samasta bhakshinaha mridupashanato ruja bhavete iti bhita janani chukopasa.
Aite pralayavadau vibho क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा अयिते प्रलयावदौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा
अयिते प्रलयावदौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा अयिते प्रलयावदौ विभो क्षितितो यादि समस्तभक्षिणः मृदुपाशनतो रुजा भवेत् इति भीता जननी चुकोपसा.
Stanza 4. Ahi durvinayatmakatvaya kimu mritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram vibho bitatam tvam pratijagnishe hasan. So now Yashoda is telling Krishna, she's scolding Krishna, saying, oh, you are a naughty boy, durvinayatmaka vatsa you are a naughty boy, because you keep doing all these bad things, and now I'm getting complaints all the time about you. And did you really eat mud here? Kimu, do you really consume mud here? That's what all your friends are telling. And tell me the truth, did you actually consume mud? So adukku Krishna is, for a long time, Chiram, for a long time, he's Hasan. We all know that, right? We all have had small kids. So and the chinna kulandaitta poi, did you do something? Appadinaka it'll like give a laugh. But chirichinde, it'll say, no, I didn't do it. So that's what Krishna is also doing. He's saying that he's also now laughing. And then for a long time, you're also saying that you are saying you didn't do it, and all of this is false. And you're saying that, but you're saying it Hasan. You're saying this in a very laughing manner. And so Yashoda now beginning to suspect that you indeed have actually eaten that. So Ai dhurvina yatmaka tvaya, comma, kimu mritsa bata vatsa bhakshita iti matrugiram chiram bibho, comma, bitatham tvam prati jagnishe hasan. Jagnishe hasan. Aidur vinayatmakatvaya kimu mritsa bhatavatsa bhakshita iti matragiram chiram vibho bitatam tvam prati jagnishe hasan.
अयि दुर्विनयात्मकत्वया किमु मृत्सा बथवत्स भक्षिता इति मातृगिरं चिरं विभो विततां त्वं प्रतिजग्निषे हसन् अयि दुर्विनयात्मकत्वया किमु मृत्सा बत वत्स भक्षिता इति मातृगिरं चिरं विभो विततां त्वं प्रतिजग्निषे हसन्
अयि दुर्विनयात्मकत्वया किमु मृत्सा बत वत्स भक्षिता इति मातृगिरं चिरं विभो विततां त्वं प्रतिजग्निषे हसन् अयि दुर्विनयात्मकत्वया किमु मृत्सा बत वत्स भक्षिता इति मातृगिरं चिरं विभो विततां त्वं प्रतिजग्निषे हसन्
ராஜேஷ்
ஆ
ஒரு டவுட் இது இந்த கடைசியில வந்து பிரதி ஜக்னி ஷேவா இல்ல ஜக்னி ஷேவா
ஞா இந்த ஞா சவுண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா ஞா சோ பிரதி ஜ நிஷே இந்த காக்க காக
இல்ல இங்க என்ன போட்டிருக்கானா ஜ அப்புறம் இன்னொரு ஜட்ஜ் ஜட்ஜ்னிஷே மாதிரி
ஜட்ல இந்த ஜ வராது அந்த ஞா ஞா சவுண்ட் ஞானம் so it's like G and N, right? But the g is kind of silent in there, so ஞா ஆயிடுறது ஞானம் இந்த ஞானம் சொல்ற ஞானம் அல்ல ஞானம் அது so GNYA அந்த ஞா பிரதி ஜக் நிஷே
சோ இப்ப வந்து அப்பனா வந்து ஜ இக் நிஷே ஜக்னிஷேன்னு போடணும் இல்லையா
இக் நடுவுல இக் வராது just ஜ நிஷே
ஜ நிஷே
yeah correct but when you say that together jagnishe
okay pradijagnishe அப்படி சொல்லுங்க
ஆமா pradijagnishe correct yeah
jagnishe okay
yeah correct stanza 5 aite sakalair vinishchite bimatisched vadanam vidharyatam iti matru vibartsito mukham Bikasat padmanibham vyadharayah. So now because Krishna is like laughing for a long time and keeps denying that he had the mud, he ate the mud. So Yashoda is then telling, if you are disagreeing here, if you are disagreeing with me, sakalai vinishchite, what everybody else is saying so firmly that you have actually done it, if you are still disagreeing with it, then vadanam, your mouth, you open your mouth. So I can actually see it. And in that way, your mother then scolded you. So I'm sure if you try to remember what this is referring to, right? I mean, we all grew up, we heard that song, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, right? It's the exact same thing is happening here, right? So she first asked, eating sugar, well, eating mud, and Krishna is saying, no. And then he asks, are you lying? And she asks Krishna, all your friends are saying, and he still says, no, I still did not. And then she says, okay, now I need proof. So now open your mouth. So that's what she says. She says, now open your mouth. And when she does that, like the Johnny says, ha, 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 and he opens his mouth, Krishna is also saying, Vikasat Padmanibham, your lotus-like mouth, O Krishna, you are now opening your mouth, and then you show it to your mother. That's what is happening here. So, Aithe Sakalair Binishchite, Vinishchite, Nischema, they're saying it very firmly, Vinishchite, comma, Bimatish Ched Vadanam. So you can break it into 3 words there. Bimatish Ched Vadanam Vidharyatam Iti Matru Bibartsito Mukham, comma, Bikasat Padma Nibham Vyadharayaha. Aite sakalair vinishchite vimatisched vadanam vidharyatam iti matru bibatsito mukham vikasat padmanibham vyadharayah.
Aite sakalair vinishchite vimatisched vadanam vidharyatam iti matru bibatsito mukham Vikasat Batmanibham Vyadharayah Aite Sakalair Vinishchite. Sorry. अयिते सकलै विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विधार्यताम् इति मातृविभर्सितो मुखं विकसत्पद्मनिभं व्यधारयः.
अयिते सकलैर्विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विदार्यताम् इति मातृविभत्सितो मुखं विकसत्पद्मनिभं व्यधारयः. अयिते सकलैर्विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विदार्यताम्.
Sorry, ஒரு Sangeeta. The bimatisched, chedan pota, it adds an extra syllable. So bimatischedvadanam, half tongue.
Okay. Starting then, children.
Uh-uh.
अयिते सकलैर्विनिश्चिते विमतिश्चेद्वदनं विदार्यताम् इति मातृविभत्सितो मुखं विकसत्पद्मनिभं व्यधारयः.
Stanza 6.
Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it correct. Yeah.
Okay.
अपीम्रलभदर्शनोत्सुकां जननीं तां बहुतर्पयन्निव पृथिवीं निखिलां न केवलं भुवनान्यप्यखिलान्यधीदृशः. So here, Krishna has not eaten mud, right, here in this case, because like we said earlier, at least according to Bhattadripad's story, according to Bhagavatam's story, he did not eat mud, and the boys just duped him, and because he stole the fruit. So now when mother is now coming and asking, saying, show your mouth, right, all the kids are desperate to kind of show that they are correct, and I see that, right, I also have 2 kids, and they're always trying to prove that they are right. So instead of now opening his mouth and showing there is no mud, because she was expecting mud, so Krishna then decides, you know what, I don't want to disappoint my mother. So to not disappoint his mother, he then says, I'm not just going to show you the little mud. Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam. So I'm not just going to stop myself by showing you the entire earth. I'm actually going to show Akhilani Bhuvanani. I'm going to show you all the other worlds which exist. I'm going to show you all of that in my mouth as well. So this goes on for a couple of stanzas, but in this stanza, he is then, to make her happy and to please his mother, he's showing her the entire earth and all the other worlds as well. So there's another kind of interesting thing here, right? So general belief lo vandu epdinaka, you have a creation and then you have a creator who's doing the creation. And the creator, because it's like he's working on the creation, like with the Play-Doh Mari, the creator is separate from the creation itself. That's the general definition. Because if child is playing with a Play-Doh, the child is different from the Play-Doh itself, right? They're independent. But I think in Hinduism and other thing, in the way it is defined, and you see this, in multiple places, even in the beginning of Narayanam, it's explained as well, it's little confusing because the creator is inside the creation, right? So we all say that every person has the Jivatma, which is your soul, and also sitting with the Jivatma is the Paramatma itself inside everybody. So the creator is also sitting inside the creation. And we also say, and everybody says that everything that you see, right? And even Rudram says this, right? I know Ramesh and Vijay and Sriram are here. Even Rudram also say everything is, it says Shiva is there in it, right? Whether it is something that you like, whether it is something you don't like, whether it is dirt, whether it is something small, something big, Rudra is there. And Adhe Mari, the creator is inside every creation. That's number one. And second thing, when you look at the Virat Swarupa Varnanam of the Virat Purusha, which happens earlier in, I think 5 or 6 or something, and also Purusha Suktam also, it says that all of the creation is inside the creator as well, right? Inside the Virat Purusha as well. So that is it's just a complex nature of it. So it's not as simple as saying the child is making the Play-Doh, so the creator and creation are separate. So that's what is also is being shown here is, and you'll see next stanza varumbodhu innum theriyum that, but right now Krishna is just showing not just the earth but also the entire world to make his mother happy. So api mrillava Darshanotsukham, comma, Jananim tam bahu tarpayan iva. Tarpayan iva, double na there. Prithivim nikhilam na kevalam, comma, Bhuvananyap Pakilanya. So, and the whole word is a long word. So, Bhuvananyap Yakilanya. So, remember the word Akilan, everything. So, Bhuvananyap Yakilanya Dhidrishaha. Apimrallavadarshanotsukham Jananim tam bahutarpayanniva Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha.
Apimrallavadarshanotsukham Jananim tam bahutarpayanniv Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha. Apimrallavadarshanotsukham Jananim tam bahutarpayanniv Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha. Sorry, Didrishaha. It's the or the there?
The, first to the.
Okay, sorry.
Rajesh, and the fourth line எப்படி break பண்ண முருகா கூடி சொல்றேளா?
Yeah, it's difficult to break that because it is Bhuvanani Api Akhilani. So it's like, it's multiple things combined together. So you will kind of have to say the whole word together. Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha. You kind of have to say the whole word together.
Okay, check. I'll try. Apimrallavadarshanotsukham Jananim tam bahutarpayanniv Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha. Apimrallavadarshanotsukham Jananim tam bahutarpayanniv Prithivim Nikilam na kevalam Bhuvananyapyakilanhyadhidrishaha.
Stanza 7. Kuhachitvanamambhude kvachidhabhram kuhachidrasatalam manujadhanuja kvachit suraha dadrishe kimna tadha tvadhanane. So now zooming in right into what she's seeing. So at some places she sees vanam, she sees like forests, like trees and all of that stuff. Kvachit, in some places she's seeing ambudhi. Ambudhi is referring to ocean. So she's seeing water bodies in some places. Some places she's seeing abram, she's seeing the sky, at which is all the upper worlds she's actually seeing. So there, like we said earlier, there are 14 worlds. The earth is the middle one. And then there are the 7 bottom worlds, which are all combined, and they call it Rasatala combined. And there are the 7 worlds. And then there are 6 worlds on top. So she first sees the 6 worlds. And then she's also seeing Kuhachit. Some places she's also seeing Rasatalam. She's seeing the bottom worlds as well. And in some places she's seeing Manuja, which are human beings. And in some places Dhanuja, which are the Asuras she's seeing. And then Suraha as well, the gods. So she's seeing the Asuras, humans, gods. She's seeing the Rasatalam. She's seeing the top worlds. She's seeing forest. She's seeing water. And the list keeps going on and on, right? So that's why Bhattatripa then says in the end is, Kimna dadrishe. What all did she not see? So that is one simpler way of saying, right? Instead of saying, here is a list of everything she saw, she says there's nothing that she did not see. So that's what Bhattatripa is saying here. Kuhachid vanam ambudi. Kuhachid vanam ambudi. Ambudihi is there, so we can put a ih to join. Ambudih kvachithir, comma. Kvachidabhram kuha chidra satalam. Kuha chidra satalam. Manuja dhanujaha is there, so put a ih to join. Dhanujah kvachit suraha. So just add a visarga there after sura and then put a comma. Kvachit suraha, comma. Dadrishe kim na tada tvadanane.
Rajesh, I think on the second line, I have kvachidabhram, kuhachid, then rasatalam. I think
Yeah, and the kuhachid it plus rasatalam. When you join it together, that it and ra become dra.
Okay.
Okay, so the two words, the way you have it is correct, but it is one word. It's kuhachidra satalam. So that's why it is written that way.
So can I say it like kuhachit rasatalam too? Is it fine or?
No, I think state kuhachidra. I think in Sanskrit, join panna, it becomes that way. Yeah, the tha becomes a dha in that case. That's why. Okay, so it becomes chidra. Dra.
Kuhachitra or dra?
Kuhachidra. Dra. D-R-A.
Okay.
Because you don't have a tra in Sanskrit, right? Like thala ra kadayadu. So another on the kuhachidra, it and ra becomes dra in the rule.
Okay.
Kuhachidvanamambhude kvachithe kvachidabhram kuhachidrasatalam manujadanuja kvachit suraha dadrishe kim na tada tvadhanane.
Kuhachidvanamambhude क्वचिदभ्रं कुहचिद्रसातलं मनुजातनुजा क्वचित् सुराः ददृशे किं न तदा त्वधानने कुहचिद्वनमम्बुदि क्वचिदभ्रं कुहचिद्रसातलं मनुजातनुजा क्वचित् सुराः ददृशे किं न तदा त्वधानने.
Fourth line, is it dadrishe kimma kinna? Ennoda book like kin irukku.
Yeah, like kim means like what?
Kim.
Yeah.
Okay. Kuhachidvanamambudev kvachidabhram kuhachidrasatalam manujadanujav kvachit suraha dadrishe kim tada tvadanane.
Kim na tada tvadanane.
Kim na, okay. Kuhachidvanamambudev kvachidabhram kuhachidrasatalam manujadanujav kvachit suraha dadrishe kim na tada tvadanane.
Stanza 8. Kalashambudishayinam punaha paravaikunthapadadivasinam swapurascha nijarbakatmakam katida tvam nadadarsha samukhe. So now she continues to see Kalashambudhi Shayinam. Kalashambudhi is the milky ocean. Shayinam is lying in that the lying, the way, the posture of Vishnu, right? The way he's lying, Ananta Shayinam position. She sees the Paramatma. She sees the actual Vishnu in Vaikuntham, right? She sees Vishnu in Vaikuntham lying in the milky ocean. And in addition to that, she also is now seeing this baby Krishna in the same baby Krishna's mouth as well. So she's seeing the actual Paramatma in Vaikuntham lying in the Milky Ocean, and she's also seeing this baby Krishna lying there, which are the two kind of opposites, Mari. So here again Bhattacharya says is Khatita Thwamna Dadarsha Samukhi, in your mouth, how many ways and how many forms did you not show it to your mother? You showed the baby form of yours, and you also showed the actual Paramatma living in Vaikuntham, which nobody has access to. You also showed that form of yours to your mother as well. So Kalashambudhi Shayinam Punaha Para Vaikuntha Padadivasinam Swapurascha Nijar Bhakatmakam. So Nijarba Atmakam. So say it together. Nijar Bhakatmakam, comma. Katida Tvam Na Dhadarsha Sa Mukhe. कलशाम्बुदिशाहिनं पुनः परवैकुण्ठपदादिवासिनं स्वपुरश्च निजार्भकात्मकं कतिधा त्वां न ददर्श सामुखे।
कलशाम्बुदिशायिनं पुनः परवैकुण्ठपदादिवासिनं स्वपुरश्च निजार्भकात्मकं कतिधा त्वां न ददर्श सामुखे। कलशाम्बुदिशायिनं पुनः परवैकुण्ठपदादिवासिनं स्वपुरश्च निजार्भकात्मकं कतिधा त्वां न ददर्श सामुखे।
कलशाम्बुदिशायिनं पुनः परवैकुण्ठपदादिवासिनं स्वपुरश्च निजार्भकात्मकं कतिधा त्वां न ददर्श सामुखे। कलशाम्बुदिशायिनं पुनः परवैकुण्ठपदादिवासिनं स्वपुरश्च निजार्भकात्मकं कतिधा त्वां न ददर्श सामुखे।
Stanza 9. विकसद्भुवने मुकोदरे ननु भूयोऽपि तथा विधाननः अनया स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान् अनवस्थां जगतां बतातनोत्. So in your mouth, Mukhodare, where Vikasat Bhuvane, where Yashoda actually saw all the worlds like we had previously described, she also now saw herself in Krishna's mouth, and she saw herself looking at this Krishna who had his mouth open, showing her what is inside. And then she could also look inside the mouth of that Krishna, that Yashoda and Krishna, and she also saw the entire world inside the mouth. So that's the mirror that we see when we go to the mall and other places, right? That multiple mirrors which keep reflecting and you see the same thing. So she's seeing something very similar to that. She's seeing all the worlds. She's seeing herself. She's seeing Krishna with the mouth open. Then again, inside that, she's seeing herself with Krishna with the mouth open and all the worlds and so on. And the Mari, it just keeps on growing to Anavastam. It is going for infinite times. There's no end to the number of times that this is actually going, and she's seeing all of that inside your mouth. So Vikasat Bhuvane Mukhodare, comma, Nanu Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha. Bhuyaha api means again and again. She's seeing all this repeating again. Bhuyopi Tatha Vidhananaha. Anaya Sputam Ikshito. Sputam Ikshito Bhavan. So அந்த இடத்துல Bhava Nanavastam. If you have Bhava Nanavastam, we'll take the first na and make it in first, Bhavan, and then put a comma. Then the next line will start with Anavastam. Make it a up. Anavastam Jagatham Batatanot. Vikasad Bhuvane Mukhodhare Nanu Bhuyopi Tata Vidhananaha Anaya Sphutamikshito Bhavan Anavastam Jagatam Batatanot.
विकसद् भुवने मुखोदरे ननु भूयोऽपि तथा विधाननः अनया स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान् अनवस्थां जगतां बतातनोत्. विकसद् भुवने मुखोदरे ननु भूयोऽपि तथा विधाननः अनया स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान् अनवस्थां जगतां बतातनोत्.
विकसद् भुवने मुकोदरे ननु भूयोऽपि तथा विधाननः अनया स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान् अनवस्थां जगतां बतातनोत्. विकसद् भुवने मुकोदरे ननु भूयोऽपि तथा विधाननः अनया स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान् anavastam jagatam batatanot.
धृततद्वधियं तथा क्षणं जननीं तां प्रणयेन मोहयन् स्तनमम्बदिशेत्युपासजन् भगवन्नद्भुतबाल पाहि माम्. So all of this that Yashoda saw was just a kshanam, right? A kshanam in old definition is like not even 1 second. It is like 4/5 of a second, right? 0.8 seconds is the definition of one kshanam. So she saw all of this in one kshanam, in a flash. And once she sees that, then she also then gets to a realization, right? That what this and the ultimate knowledge she also gains of who she is and who Krishna is and how all of these things are, and she gets the entire philosophy. All of that happens in a fraction of a second. But the moment that goes away and Krishna now closes his mouth, she's returned back to normalcy, right? With the presence of Maya, she completely forgets everything that she has seen, and all she sees now is her baby Krishna sitting in front of her. And all of this completely goes away because Krishna again wants Yashoda to like him as a baby, right? As her baby. And so she completely forgets everything, and then he then goes to Yashoda and says, you know what, I want to drink milk again, which is kind of where he started. So he then goes and says to his mother and says, I want to drink milk, and then she completely forgets everything. So in this question that always arises, right, everybody says, is how is Yashoda so lucky? Because one is she's getting time to spend with Krishna. That is one aspect of it. But the second aspect of it is she gets to see all this, which so many people and sages have not had a chance to even contemplate or even to understand. But she's actually getting all this information, right? So adikku there are a couple of reasons which are given. In Bhagavatam, at least the reason that is given are Brahma had like 8 Vasus in irunda, like sages or something like that. One of them's name was Drona. This is not the Dronacharya who comes in Mahabharata. This was a Drona Abdina. There was a Vasu. And I think he had a wife by name Dhruva or something. And they were completely devoted to the Lord. And they wanted an opportunity to be able to raise the Lord and bring him up, right? So, Anda Samayatla, when Krishna Avataram was happening, and in 37th chapter also, I think I must have said that the Devas came down as the Gopas, and the Deva Patnis came down as Gopikas. So, Anda Samayatla, this Drona and Dhruva, they came down as Yashoda and Nandagopa. That is what Bhagavatam is saying. And then that way they get to raise Krishna as a child. Because although Vasudeva and Devaki gave birth, they never got a chance to raise Krishna, right? Yashoda and Nanda were the ones who got a chance to do that. There's another story which I heard in some other place. I don't know how this the connection there, but I didn't read it anywhere. Which at least said that in Treta Yuga, when Rama comes back after the 14 years in forest, and Kaikeyi then goes and tells Rama that, Rama, you were my most favorite son, right? More than Bharata, you were my most favorite son. But what did you do? Like as a god, right? What did you do to make me hate you and send you to the forest? And then Rama says, it's just your karma. That was what was supposed to happen. And, you are supposed to make me sent to the forest. When he explains that, then she then says that I haven't had a chance to spend time with you and I really want you as my son in your next birth and so on. And the Samayatla, he says that cannot happen because if you remember that Prisni, who was the mother, and Sutapas, they were the first parents of Krishna, then Aditi and Kashyapa, and now Vasudeva and Devaki. So that tradition is following. So that's why Kaikeyi could not become the birth mother, but she has an opportunity to become the mother who takes care of Krishna. That is another story. But Bhagavatatla, they say about this Drona and Dhruva as the couple who are the gods who actually end up coming down to as Nandagopa and Yashoda. So anyway, so at the end here, then Krishna then brings her back to reality, and Yashoda forgets everything that she saw, and she's just become like a normal mother here. So Dritha Tattva Dhyam Tada Kshanam, Jananim Tam Pranayena Mohayan Stanam Ambha Dishetyu Pasajan. So Dishetyu Pasajan comma, Bhagavan Adbhuta, but because in and are coming, it becomes double na. Bhagavan Adbhuta Bala Pahima. So this is another dasakam where Bhattadripad is not saying that, he doesn't say diseases, but he says, oh wonder, you are Adbhuta Bhala, you are one of those wonderful child. Pahimam, please protect me, and then he ends it there. So Bhagavan Adbhuta Bhala Pahimam.
Rajesh, first line இன்னொரு வாட்டி split பண்ணுங்களேன் please.
Dhrita Tattva Dhyam Tada Kshanam, comma, Jananim Tam Pranayena Mohayan.
Thank you.
Dhrita Tattva Dhyam Tada Kshanam Jananim Tam Pranayena Mohayan. Stanamambadishetyupasajanne Bhagavan Adbhuta Bhala Pahimam.
धृततत्त्वधियं तदाक्षणं जननीं तां प्रणयेन मोहयन् स्तनमम्बदिशेत्युपासजन् भगवन्नद्भुतपालपाहि मां धृततत्त्वधियं तदाक्षणं जननीं तां प्रणयेन मोहयन् स्तनमम्बदिशेत्युपासजन् भगवन्नद्भुतबालपाहि माम्.
धृततत्त्वधियं तदाशनं जननीं तां प्रणयेन मोहयन् स्तनमम्बदिशेत्युपासजन् भगवन्नद्भुतबालपाहि माम्.
Get in the first line, Kshanam. So it's KSH. Kshanam.
Shanam.
Yeah.
धृततत्त्वधियं तदाशनं जननीं तां प्रणयेन मोहयन् स्तनमम्बदिशेत्युपासजन् भगवन्नद्भुतबालपाहि माम्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabhakne Namah. This completes the chapter. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuttam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshad Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Janaham काहेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.